Hey, what is up guys? It's me Kevin and I'm back for another video. So naghanap pa kayo ng murang keyboard under 2,000 pesos and this is the one to consider. The Machenike is kind enough to send me their sample, the Machenike K500. This is a hot-swappable keyboard, a 90% keyboard na may 94 switches. It is hot-swappable, RGB, and Type-C. At check natin siya kung worth it ba talaga siya. So tara, let's go! So this is the box, nothing much else to see here. And this is the actual keyboard. Let's check it out later. What's included in the box is the Type-C cable. It is not braided, it's just a rubber Type-C cable, which is L-type. I'll explain this later. Why is it an L-type Type-C? And you have the extra two switches, blue switch, and this is the switch puller and your manual. So guys, this is the entire keyboard. As you can see, it is very neat. I like the color scheme. It is a double shot PBT keycaps, so you won't have to worry about this being smudged or being or oily or something. This is very good keycaps for its price. It is also equipped with blue switches, and why you ask me? Because nag-start ako sa blue switch and I've been using that for a year. And after all these years, for like 5 years, I upgraded all the keyboards. I have like 7 keyboards right now. And I'm really interested in budget keyboards. That's why I'm holding this one. And this is only 2,000 pesos, guys. So I'm not really complaining. You can get this in reds or in browns or in blues. And just for nostalgia, I picked the blue ones. And I'll be enjoying this keyboard because I like the layout. It's very compact. It's light. And at the bottom of it, you'll see a textured plastic here covering. It is quite pleasing in my eyes. You have the bottom rubber feet here for hindi mag-slide sa table nyo. It is adjustable. So, isa lang level ng adjustment niya. So, that's fine with me. This is where located the Type-C. It's on the left side, so it's in an awkward or unorthodox position. That's why you have the L-type cable. So here at the front, you have the branding, the Machenike K500 mechanical keyboard. This is RGB. I don't know if I said that already. And at the back of it, Machenike, as cool as you are. I'm not sure how to interpret it, but I guess you're cool if ever you have this keyboard. I don't know. Do I feel cool right now? Maybe, maybe not. So that's about it. So ano pa ba yung mga features niya? So you get a hot-swappable switch, as I said earlier. So here's your entire keyboard. As I said earlier, 90% keyboard. Meron siyang 94 switches. It is hot-swappable. It is equipped with blue switches, and I know you're scratching your head because the option is really limited. You get only it in reds or in browns or in blues. So I decided to go with the blues. And why you ask me? Because this is the switch where it all started, all these keyboards that I have right now. So guys, we'll do a quick sound test of the blue switches. I hope you're ready about this blue switches. I know a lot of you are not a fan of blue switches, but this is where all it started. So let's go. Right now, I'm showing you the RGB. Meron siyang 20 na optional na RGB na pwede nyong palitan sa kanyang software. Ayan, yun yung mga options niya. Ayan. Ayan, very colorful. Nag-illuminate sa bawat keys yung RGB, which is nice. Ayan. Very nice and very vibrant yung colors. This is bright enough for me. This is good. A nice feature to have, lalo na pag madilim yung room nyo. And the software is very easy to use, very intuitive, it's easy to navigate, it's easy to edit, to change your RGB here. You can save a profile and macro keys. You can also save a macro keys here. So that's about it, guys. If you have any question, feel free to comment down below. All the links will be posted down below together with the description and where to download the software. And that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you Machenike for selling this product. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay safe out there, guys. God bless.